Good day, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to another Grand Theft Auto 5 online money method video. In today's guide, I'm going to show you 4 of the best solo money-making methods available this week. These are fun, efficient, and perfect if you're grinding alone. If you enjoy the video, a like and a subscribe would be greatly appreciated. Let's get started. Money method. Number 1. Tiny Races Adversary Mode. Make your way to the Rockstar Featured Series icon in Legion Square and walk into the pink circle to start playing Tiny Races. Alternatively, pause the game, go to Online, then Jobs, then Play Job, then Rockstar Created, then Adversary Mode, and select one of the 7 Tiny Races game modes. Tiny Races is a top-down competitive racing mode where you try to stay in the lead. If your car falls too far behind, you'll be eliminated after a 10-second countdown. Each match is short and action-packed, with weapons, boosts, and even Tron-style light bikes that can wipe out opponents instantly. This week, Tiny Races pays double GTA dollars in RP, meaning you can earn up to $50,000 to $60,000 per win. And you can play solo with randoms or friends. It's a great way to make fast cash while having fun. Money method number 2. Weekly Time Trial. Storm Drain. Head over to the time trial marker for Storm Drain with a part time of 38.5 seconds. This is a short but technical route. Use a Batai 801 or a fully upgraded Hakuchu drag without HSW upgrade. For Bati, pop a wheelie to increase speed. For the Hakuchu drag, lean forward for max downforce. Be precise with your turns. The route involves sharp maneuvers and elevation changes. If done right, you'll easily earn $11,000 in under 40 seconds. Quick money and great for skill practice. Money method number 3. Contact missions plus weekly challenge bonus. Go to the pause menu, then Online, then Jobs, then Play, Job, then Rockstar Created, then Missions. Look for well-paying solo-friendly missions like Ballast to the Wall and others in the list. Many of these offer great payouts for short, repeatable tasks. And here's the bonus. Complete any 3 missions this week, and you'll also complete the weekly challenge, granting you an additional $100,000 bonus payout. Money method number 4. HSW Time Trial, North Chumash. This week's HSW Time Trial is at North Chumash, with a part time of 3 minutes and 49 seconds. It might seem long, but you'll have plenty of time to spare. Start the trial, take a right turn through the Grass Hill section, and merge onto the open highway. Avoid traffic and keep up top speed. It's a smooth ride with minimal obstacles. If you have a HSW upgraded bike like the Hakuchu drag, you'll breeze through it and earn a hefty payout quickly. And there you have it. 4 of the best solo money methods this week in GTA 5 Online. Whether you're grinding through tiny races, flying through time trials, or clearing missions, these methods will help you stack millions fast. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe, and comment your favorite method down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next GTA Online Money Guide.